Learning Japanese greetings is a great way to start your journey into the Japanese language and culture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you learn them effectively. Today in this video, we are going to learn some of the basic and most used Japanese greeting. In number 1, we have konnichiwa, konnichiwa, meaning hello or good afternoon, used to greet someone during the daytime, typically from late morning to early evening. It's a casual and versatile greeting suitable for most situations. Ohayo gozaimasu, ohayo gozaimasu, meaning good morning. A polite way to greet someone in the morning. It's commonly used in both formal and informal settings, showing respect and politeness. Konbanwa, konbanha, meaning good evening, used to greet someone in the evening or at night. Similar to konnichiwa, some, but specifically for the evening hours. Arigato, arigato, meaning thank you, a common expression of gratitude. It can be used in various contexts, from simple everyday interactions to more formal situations. Sumimasen, sumimasen, meaning excuse me or I'm sorry, used to apologize or to get someone's attention politely. It's also used to ask for help or to acknowledge inconvenience caused to others. Learning these basic greetings will help you navigate daily interactions in Japanese-speaking environments with ease and politeness.